Hey everybody! In this short video, I'll show you how to develop a facial recognition application. Let's assume we have a directory with the people we want to recognize and a list of photos with those people. We want to recognize who is on these specific photos. To create an application very fast, we will use an API for facial recognition. It's very convenient because we can use any programming language and we don't need to develop storage, so we can focus on the main things. I usually use Lux and Cloud. They're pretty cheap and accurate because they work on facial recognition for 13 years, but of course you can use any other API. I'll leave the link in the description. It's not a referral link because I really recommend them. You need to sign up, then choose facial recognition, and then use your favorite programming language. I'll choose Python because I like it, and Github has a prepared library for the customers to develop the code easier, so I'm going to install this library. Now it's time to write the code. We'll create two scripts. The first one will add all the people from the list to the database. In this piece of code, we are listing files in the people directory and creating those people using API. Launching. All the people successfully added to the database. Now we are going to recognize those people in images. Let's write the code to recognize people already added to the database. In this piece of code, we are listing files in Photos directory and recognizing people in them. Let's launch it. Done. As you can see, all the people are successfully recognized in Photos. If you like this video, don't hesitate to follow me, leave a comment, or request for future videos. Thank you very much.